Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple photos in a messenger group on your PC with the latest update. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Start by opening messenger.com in your web browser. Step 2. Once you're on Messenger, open any group chat that you want to share multiple photos in. Step 3. Look for the photo and video icon at the bottom of the chat window, right next to the text box. If you can't find these options, simply click on the plus symbol next to the text box. Step 4. Select the photos you wish to send by clicking on them and then click Open. Step 5. Finally, to send the selected photos, click Send or simply press Enter on your keyboard. By following these steps, you can easily share multiple photos in a messenger group on your PC, enhance your group conversations with visual content, and make sharing moments more fun and engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.